I'm just down at the waterfront here. This is Sia from Iran and Gilly from Israel. We're just getting ready. We're gonna go up the Bosphorus and on a tour on the boat. So yeah, we're down at the waterfront. Lots of people around and getting ourselves sorted out before we head out. Beautiful mosque here behind us. And yeah, Chris is opted out today. He's hanging out in bed, so we have to deal with just me. Anyways, we'll see you on the boat. The Bosphorus Strait connects the Sea of Marmara to the south with the Black Sea to the north and is a major shipping route. Time to get a ticket. So 25 Lira takes us on an hour and a half trip up the Bosphorus. On this trip, we will go under two major Istanbul bridges and then return home along the same route. Here we go. Thank you. Oh, there's a place to get coffee. Look at this guy with his little tray.
Yes, please, welcome.
Oh, they got like a total little cafe there. Nice. Little cafe in there. Oh my goodness, look at them all. Wow, there's a lot of jellyfish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The helm.
Let's go.
Let's go. Too late. Here we are. We got like
is it video?
Cute little table.
Thank you.
Cute little table, and yeah, just waiting for the boat to go. Here we are approaching the Dolmabahce Palace, and if you haven't seen our tour video of that, you should really check it out. It's used to be the center of the entire Ottoman Empire, and it is a very impressive structure. Boats of all sizes ply this waterway, taking supplies up to the Black Sea and back again. This is the first bridge that we will pass under, and we will be going under two bridges in total. This section truly felt like we were cruising along the French Riviera. And after passing under the second bridge, we loop back and head back for home. Bosphorus. It was pretty awesome. Saw lots of cool buildings and palaces and old architecture, lots of really nice mansions right against the water and beautiful boats, and yeah, it's been a beautiful day. It's been really cold and kind of overcast the last little while, so we got a nice sunny day. It's 16 degrees and we're taking full advantage of it. So hope you enjoyed this quick tour, and yeah, I highly recommend it. This is it's 25 liras. It's about an hour and a half, and there is announcements sort of telling you what each thing is. It's kind of difficult to hear, so we didn't really pay much attention, but it's cool to look at all the neat architecture in the old palaces and go under the bridges, and yeah, we saw some cool parts of Istanbul. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.